What is up, everyone? Welcome back to TechVibes. If you are looking for the best legal Kodi add-ons for movies and TV, you are in the perfect spot. Today I am breaking down the top legal Kodi add-ons that everyone should install. These are 100% legal, easy to set up, and perfect for cord cutters. Number 1 is Pluto TV. It offers 250 plus live TV channels and movies. It is completely free, no account required, and a must-have for Kodi users. Number 2 is Samsung TV Plus. It provides excellent free live TV and lifestyle channels. Number 3 is Plex. It is perfect for free movies, TV, and personal media. Check these out today. Thanks for watching. Number 4 is PBS Live. If you enjoy educational and high-quality content, PBS is a must. The PBS add-on gives you access to documentaries, educational programming, and local PBS live streams. Availability may vary by location. It is completely legal and great for families. Number 5 is JumoPlay. JumoPlay is another solid legal add-on for those who love live television. You get free live channels, movies, and on-demand shows, plus news, sports, and kids content. It is lightweight, reliable, and a great alternative to traditional cable. Number 6 is the Roku channel. The Roku channel add-on gives you access to free legal movies, TV shows, and live TV channels. It works without any license or paid subscription. What you get is free movies, TV shows, live channels, news, entertainment, lifestyle, and content for kids. No license is required and no paid subscription is needed. It is fully legal and ad-supported content. You do not even need a Roku device to use it. It streams directly inside Kodi. Number 7 is Dro TV. Dro TV is a free and completely legal Kodi add-on that offers live TV channels and on-demand content, with no license, no subscription, and no account required. What you get is 150 plus free live TV channels, movies, TV shows, documentaries, and niche content including news, sports, entertainment, and international channels. It works worldwide, though content may vary by region. It is worth installing because Dro TV is perfect if you want a cable-style live TV experience inside Kodi. It pairs perfectly with Pluto TV, Jumo, and the Roku channel. You can find a full step-by-step guide showing how to install every single one of these add-ons in the description below. These are the top 7 legal Kodi add-ons everyone should install if you want free, safe, and reliable streaming. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, comment below with your favorite Kodi add-on. Subscribe to TechVibes for more streaming tips, guides, and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.